These ayat are speaking to me. That's why ulama said that al-munafiqun, Allah never mentioned their names. He mentioned Fir'aun wa Haman. He mentioned certain elements of kufr and disbelief, but he never mentioned al-munafiqun specifically by name inside the Quran. Limadha? Because Allah wants us to stay away from the traits of hypocrisy. What are symbols of hypocrisy? Either haddatha kadhiba, if he speaks, he lies. Thalathatu ayatul munafiq thalatha. 3 signs of the hypocrite that are there that we should be worried inside our lives. We speak, we lie. If we're entrusted with something, we betray that trust. And we make a promise, we break that promise. We're entrusted with something, we break it. If this happens either bimana istimrar. Remember the disclaimer I mentioned that if it happens once in a while, the person doesn't apply it continuously in your dealings with a person, these things begin to exist, then the symbols that person should be wary. These are symbols of hypocrisy upon this person inside their life. And likewise we mentioned about al-istihza bis-sunnah, mockery, making a joke about Islam. You know, these Muslim comedians that we find who make a joke about Islam. Islam isn't a joke. Islam, let's get this clear inside our minds, it's not entertainment. You know, people say we need entertainment inside our lives. Islam does not give a substitute. Islam is a way of life. Entertainment is something totally separate from Islam. That if you want to enjoy yourself in any form of halal entertainment, keep yourself fit or whatever, recreation, whatever it may be, or enjoy yourself, don't mix it with Islam. Don't try to shroud it with Islam that this is Islamic entertainment. Because Islam is serious business. It's not about entertainment anymore. You can see Masjid Al-Aqsa today, what's happened to Masjid Al-Aqsa, as we believe inside entertainment. We can see inside India what's taking place at the moment, and we believe inside entertainment. We can see through the world. We must be baffled inside our mind that we still think that, yeah, it's all about entertainment inside our lives. If you call to be men, men are serious inside their life. Inside Surah Al-Ahzab, Allah mentioned, مِنَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ رِجَالٌ. For amongst the believers, they are men. What does it mean to be men? Rijalun. Is it just a physical format of manhood? It's quwwatul iman. Look at Abdullah ibn Mas'ud. He had skinny, thin shins he had. When you climb the palm tree, they will laugh at him. They will laugh. Look how skinny this companion is. What did the Prophet ﷺ say about this individual? That the weight of this individual is heavy in the scales. So not all the companions were ferocious and strong. But what did they have? They had iman. They had iman inside their hearts. And that's why look at where did Islam spread? All the way to the boundaries of this country. All the way through Al-Andalus. It was there. Islam is there. Spread east and west. Why? How did these people, Bedouin, destitute, barefooted individuals, traverse the earth? We have billions today. Billions today. We can't walk from one location to another location. Except for them telling us what to do inside our lives. That you move from here to there. You do this from this to that. You should say this and say that. What kind of Islam is that? What kind of clear hypocrisy is that? That your Quran, that your motives and your words and your statements is all legislated from people, from other people who give it to you. And they delegate to you, this is how you live your life. This is what your Islam is. How can he come and endorse upon me and tell me how to live my life? He can tell me how to walk on the street, to cross the road, stop at traffic lights. He can't tell me what's halal, what's haram. That's only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why inside Surah Al-Munafiqun it mentions, وَلِلَّهِ الْعِزَّةُ وَلِرَسُولِهِ وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَكِنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Glory and izzah belongs to whom? It belongs to Allah. Then the messenger and to the believers. Believers will always be successful. Antumul a'laun, always be successful. There's no doubt about that. Even when a believer leaves this dunya, siru ila al-qubur, go and see the graves. Go and see the end of these people. Go and see the end of their life. How much is this life anyway? 60 years, 70 years, 80 years of life, whatever it may be. Let them have whatever they want of this life. It's a short temporal life that they're going to be given to. And the hypocrisy on the day of judgment, and even before that in this dunya, will be exposed. And that's what we should worry about inside our lives.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Mimbar YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.